In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Now access Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. Finally, click on Choose Default Apps. Select Home app and click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then tap on OK in the pop-up. And got it in this one. As you can see, after that, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my Samsung. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!